Welcome to Ethio Kids. Alphabet. A. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cake. D. D is for dog. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for hat. I. I is for igloo. J. J is for juice. K. K is for key. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for mittens. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for piano. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tomato. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.